So as you guys can see, we already did our second row of table over here. We just didn't want to bore you guys through that setup since you already knew how to do it from the first one. But now we're going to work on setting up the teacher's easels. So these are the types of easels you want to get. I believe they're watercolor easels. We'll give you the exact manufacturer model number in the product list when we email it to you. But we get our teacher easels from Michael's Arts and Crafts store. And the reason we get them there is because they're like the highest easels that we've found on the market. And that helps out when your paintings need to be high up so people can look over each other's heads and see you teaching. So it comes in this cool little pouch, and it comes in two pieces. This is the tripod easel, and then this is the shelf where you put the actual painting. So if you're familiar with tripods, all you want to do is you want to extend the legs, All right, and then, so this is one side, and then there's like a little clip here. You want to raise this up. This is just to support the back of your canvas. And then this is the shelf that we're going to put on it. And the shelf actually rests on these two screws. So you just want to do that. And do that like that. You don't want to hit your leg, Andy. All right, so that's one easel set up. I'll do the second one. So one easel is to display the sample painting, and the other easel is for you to paint on and go through the steps as you're teaching the group. All right. Okay, same thing, it's going to go on the screws like that. Sometimes you got to finagle it to be the right height and all that. It doesn't have to be the exact same height, just close enough, right? So this is the painting we're doing tonight for the class, called Ocean Breeze. It's one of the first paintings I did back in the day. So there's that. Right? And then this is the side I'm going to teach on. Now, as far as which side you put the sample painting on and you put the blank canvas on, it's your preference. I just feel more comfortable painting here and then referencing the painting over there. But you can put this on that side, you can put this on that side, whatever you feel comfortable with. There's really no right or wrong way to do it. As you're teaching, you don't need to teach like this so people, so the people can see you. You don't have to teach like that. It kind of, for you being the teacher or whatever, it feels a little unnatural. So what I usually do is I explain the step to people, then I do it. People say, you make a better door than a window. I think that's how the saying goes. So I'm like, you guys gotta, stare at my butt for a little bit while I do this. So I'll do this, and then afterwards I'll kind of step to the side and I'll be like, so that's the step I just did. So that's kind of the process you want to go through. So don't feel self-conscious about standing like right in front of the painting when you do the painting. And that's basically the teacher easels.